This amazing farm in the Ozarks sits on 60 gorgeous acres and includes a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. The home features 40 acres of lush pasture and 20 acres of woods, all with barbed wire, cross fencing and perimeter fencing. All of this is bordered on the north side by the Mark Twain National Forest, which provides a home to abundant wildlife including deer and turkey. Isn't this view from the deck amazing? The home has metal siding and metal roof with vinyl windows. It also includes a finished basement. Utilities include propane heat, central air, well and lagoon. Notice the ramp, making this home easy to enter for people with mobility issues. The home has a great open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting and large windows. It also includes a finished basement with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and utility room. This spacious kitchen includes an island with gas cooktop, double ovens, dishwasher, commercial refrigerator and additional freestanding gas range. Notice the vegetable bins on the left side of the island. Notice the size of the kitchen table in this room. It is large, but there is enough space for a much larger one. To the left of the commercial-size refrigerator is the door leading to the only bedroom on the main floor. To the left of that is the upstairs bathroom. Notice how long this room is and how open. It would be easy for a handicapped person to get around in without bumping into things. This is the bedroom just off of the kitchen on the main floor. It includes 2 windows and a ceiling fan. It also includes a door on the right leading to a small deck on the back of the house. This is what you see when you look out the door. Isn't it beautiful? Located in the basement are the master bedroom plus 2 additional bedrooms. The master has a ceiling fan and a window flooding the room with natural light. Bedroom 2 in the basement is pretty large with enough room for 2 beds, as you see here. It too has a ceiling fan and window. Another view. There are 2 full baths in the basement. This is the first one. It includes a tub and shower combo and single sink vanity. It also includes shelves to store your towels and other linens. This is the second bathroom. It includes a bathtub and also a shower and more shelves for towels and other things. Located in the basement, the laundry room includes cabinets for storage and a door leading to the backyard.